How to blur face on CapCut. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blur face on CapCut. To blur face on CapCut, first of all open your CapCut application on your mobile device and here tap on this new project option or the plus icon at the top. Once you tap on it, now select the image from your gallery to which you would like to blur the face. Once you have selected it, now tap on this add option at the bottom right. Once doing that, you will reach to the editing space. Here at the bottom you will find various editing tools. Tap on this effects option or the icon and then choose video effects. Once doing that, in the search bar here search for blur effect. Once you have searched for it, you will get various search results. From the search results, here tap on any one of this blur effect you would like to add. Once you have added the blur effect, now tap on this arrow at the bottom. Now you will need to select overlay option at the bottom. Tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay option again. Once doing that, now you will need to choose the same photo or the image from your gallery. Once you choose it, tap on the add button at the bottom right. Adjust the image here and then select the overlay image. Once selected, at the bottom, here you need to swipe to the left and find marks option. Once you find this marks option, tap on it and here select the circular marks. Once selected, now you can adjust and place it to the face. Once you have placed it, now tap on this invert option at the bottom left. This will help you to blur the face while leaving other parts unblurred. Now once you have done that, tap on this tick mark at the bottom right and now you can export this image. Tap on export at the top right and export it to your gallery. You may also preview it by tapping on this preview icon at the left side. Once doing that, here you will be able to see you have successfully face blurred on CapCut. So by following these steps, you should be able to blur face on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.